guys, Maggie Rodriguez here with Windermere Group 1 for my third episode of Hermiston Happenings. Today I'm interviewing Dan with Dan's West Coast Auto Glass here in Hermiston. Welcome, Dan.
Thank you.
So tell us about your business.
Well, it's West Coast Auto Glass, or Dan's West Coast Auto Glass. I'm 33 years in the business. Just been doing it all my life, basically, since I'm 35 years old. We do windshield replacements, rock chip repairs, anything auto glass. If it moves, we do it.
Wait, and you specialize in specifically auto glass,
I
correct?
do.
Okay, perfect. So then, say someone has a rock chip repair, how would you go about doing that? Or
Get the customer in here, find out if it's a cash job or an insurance job, and if it's insurance, we get in touch with your insurance, or you can. Either way, however the insurance company says, you have to be here.
Okay.
But we always try to do a rock chip first, and if it's not repairable, then we go for the windshield replacement.
Okay. And then you have some sort of coupon, or what?
I've got a $50 coupon that goes towards your insurance deductible.
Okay.
So let's say your insurance is, it's a $100 deductible. Got the $50 coupon, it costs you $50. Or if it's $50, it doesn't cost you anything.
And where do you find that coupon?
I have it on my business cards. We do mailers through other local areas or agencies here in town. And I give it to everybody, actually.
Perfect. So if someone was looking to find you, where are you located?
I'm at 1850 North 1st on Highway 395 between O'Reilly's and Community Bank.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Dan. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And yeah, come on down and visit Dan at Dan's West Coast Auto Glass.
See you soon.
See ya.